Exercise 12.1 Problem 5 Discussion. Two coins are tossed together. What is the probability of getting at most one head? Okay, this is very important. Two coins, anyway, let's list out. Two coins are tossed and we are asked to find the probability of getting at most one head. At most and at least are two words which are heavily used in this probability exercise, and you need to have a clear understanding. At most means they can straight away say, now why are they not saying what is the probability of getting one head? But instead of that, they are saying at most one head. At most one head means it can be zero head, maximum one head. That's what they mean to say. You can rewrite the sentences. What is the probability of getting maximum one head? A maximum of one head means it can be zero head, that is both coins giving you tail, or getting one head. So this is what they mean to say at most one head. You have to be very careful. And if they say at least one head, which means that is probability of getting one head or probability of getting two heads, right? Because there are two coins are tossed. The first coin, there are two outcomes, right? The way you can get the first one, first coin giving you one head, the second also can give two heads. So altogether two heads is also possible, or zero heads, because in both the coins can give us tails. So which will be, so the possible outcomes is zero head, in which case both the coins gives you tail, or it can be one head one tail, so there will be one head one tail, or both giving you two heads. So these are the possible outcomes. Am I right? But when they say at most means it is zero head or one head, and if they say at least one head means one head or two head, because these are the possible outcomes which goes by this definition. Okay, so let's list out what is given. Two coins are tossed together. Probability of getting what? At most one head. At most one head, as I said, zero head or one head. And if they say at most two heads, so zero head or one head or two head. Zero head is also possible, right? Because both the coins can give us tails, in which case it will be zero head. So if they say at most two head means zero head or one head or two head. Okay, let's see this when we are solving it, but just keep in the back of the mind. Probability is the same formula, n of a divided by n of s. And the steps, the same steps as in the previous problem. List the sample space and find n of s. Let a be the event of getting at most one head. Okay, and list a and find n of a. Probability of a is n of a divided by n of s. Okay, now let's get into the solution. So when the two coins are tossed, the sample spaces, as we did for the dice, let's do the same. The first coin is giving a head. Okay, the second coin give you a head, or it can give you a tail. So this is the two possible outcomes. Now, instead of the first coin giving us head, it is also possible for us to get tail in the first coin itself. So the second is when the first coin is giving you tail, the second coin can give you head or tail. So these are the four possible outcomes of tossing two coins. Another way of checking is, this is a way to check it. First coin can give two outcomes. Second coin can give us two outcomes. So 2 into 2, 4 outcomes is the sample space. Right? If there are three coins, first coin can give you 2, second coin can give you 2, third coin can give you 2 outcomes. So altogether 6 outcomes are there. If it is 4 coins, first coin can give you 2 outcomes, second coin can give you 2 outcomes, third coin can give you 2 outcomes, fourth coin can give you 2 outcomes. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So that will be 16 outcomes are possible. You can try it out on your own and you will be able to get that result. Okay, now let's come back to this problem. So there are 4 possible outcomes for us. So n of s is 4. Now let a be the event of getting at most one head. At most one head means maximum. So at most one head means either you can get 0 head or you can get one head. 0 head means both the coins are giving you tails. When you get one head, it can be the first coin tail, second coin is head, or first coin is head, the second coin is tail. Both the cases, there is only one head, right? So these are the possible outcomes. So how many outcomes? This is one outcome, this is one outcome, this is one outcome, right? So A means the event A happens whenever these outcomes comes out. So what is n of A? The number of ways the event A will happen. That is 1, 2, 3. N of A is 3. And n of S is 4. Probability of event A is n of A divided by n of S. That is 3 by 4. Now let's say at least one head. At least one head means one head or two head, because two head is also possible, right? So this is a favorable outcome, this is a favorable outcome, this is a favorable outcome. So 3 out of 4 will be the probability of getting at least one head. And let's say they say probability of getting two heads. This is the only outcome which fits that bill, right? So 1 by 4. And if they say probability getting two heads, again this is the only outcome which fits that condition. So it's 1 by 4, right? And they say probability getting one head. What is one head? So one head, this is not a favorable event. This is not a favorable event. One head means this is a favorable event and this is also a favorable event. They don't say first coin should give you first head. Only thing they say, one head I want to get. What is the probability getting of one head? So this is favorable, this is favorable. So 2 outcomes favorable out of 4 outcomes. So 2 divided by 4, that will be half. Okay. So I hope I made it clear. If not, please go through this problem one more time. It will become clear. Thanks for watching this video.